Good morning, dear friends. So I hope everybody did well in the examination. So in this video, we shall go through the questions of MCQs and 1 mark. So I decided to upload the videos section wise. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the MCQs and 1 mark questions. So let us take one by one. So the first question is the product of LCM and HCF and LCM of two numbers is. See, we have a relation, that is HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. ಯಾವಾಗನೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ HCF ಮತ್ತೆ LCM ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್, ಸೊ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ LCM ಅಂಡ್ HCF ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 15 into 20 300. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 300 is the correct answer for the first question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then the alpha beta is what? See, the product of zeros. If alpha and beta are the zeros, then the product of the zeros is always equal to what? It is a standard formula. C by a is the correct answer. Next, so if sin theta is equal to 4 by 5, then what is 1 minus cos square theta? See, this is equal to, by identity, 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. And what is sin square theta? Root of sin square theta, that is sin theta only, and the value of sin theta is given here itself, that is equal to how much? 4 by 5. Therefore the answer is option B, 4 by 5 is the correct answer. The probability of a sure event is, see, the probability of a sure event, so it is also called a certain event, and that probability of that event is what? Always equal to 1 or 100%. So option A, 1 is the correct answer for the fourth one. Fifth one, the secant of the circle in the figure. See, this is a tangent, this is a chord, this is a radius, and this is the secant. So therefore, what is the answer for the fifth one? Option A, Mn is the secant of in the given figure. The volume of the frustum of the cone whose base radii R1 and R2 and height h is, the formula is 1 by 3 pi into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 is the correct option. So here we don't have square is missing here. Here we have a minus. Here we have minus. So these are the not answers. Therefore the correct answer is option C. If 2x and 26 are in arithmetic progression, so we all know if ABC are in AP, then twice the B is equal to A plus C. So that means 2 times the x is equal to 2 plus 26. So x is equal to 28 divided by 2, that is equal to 14. Therefore, what is the answer? Option B, 14 is the correct answer for the question number 7. Question number 8. So if tan 90 minus theta, what is tan 90 minus theta? It is nothing but cot theta. So cot theta is equal to how much? See, tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta, and they ask that value. So cos theta is also equal to what? If tan 90 minus theta is root 3, then cot theta is also root 3. So these are the answers for the first 8 MCQs. Now I am going to take the 1-mark questions. In the figure, ADE, see, figure is given here, ADE is similar to ABC. If ADE is similar to ABC, then their area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to square of the corresponding side. You can take any corresponding side, as DE and BC are given. I am going to consider DE by BC. So it is nothing but 2 by 3 whole square. The answer is 4 by 9. So therefore, what is the ratio of the areas of triangle here? The required ratio is 4:9. Actually, ratio kelilla, fraction kelilla, you can write 4 by 9. See, we have a relation for the next one. What? So that is volume of cylinder or volume of cone is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. This is a standard equation whenever we have same radius and same height for radius and cone and cylinder. So here the volume of the cylinder is given 27 cubic centimeters. So therefore volume of the cone will become 9 cc. That means 9 cubic centimeter or cubic units. See, I can't write cubic centimeter because it is given units here. So cubic units is the answer. That is the volume of the cone. If 200 is written in the form of this, see, if you find out the prime factorization of 200, what is that? 2 into 100, 2 into 50, and 2 into 25, and 5 into 5. So what is the prime factorization of 200? That is 2 cube into 5 square. Look at this. So in the place of m, what we have? We have 3. In the place of n, what we have? We have 2. Therefore, what are the values of m? M value is 3 and n value is 2. This is the answer for the question number 11. Find the number of solutions of the C. Whenever we take, this is A1, this is B1, this is C1. So this is A2, this is B2, this is C2. So A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 3. So B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by 5. So that means I am getting A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, how many solution? Therefore, if this is the case, then it is called intersecting solution. Therefore, number of solution is how much? Only one solution. So only one solution for the given pair of linear equation. In arithmetic progression, sum of 6 terms. So that means S6 is given. So, and sum of first 5 terms, S5 is given. So is 78 and that is 55. Find the 6 terms. See, whenever they given sum, we have a relation to represent in terms of nth term. Sn minus 1. Here n is 6. S6 minus S5. So that is 78 minus 55. So A6 is equal to 23 is the correct answer. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. Write the degree of the polynomial. See, after simplification, we have to identify the degree. X into x square, x cube, x into 3x, 3x plus 5x square plus 7. Here degree is not the 2. What is the degree? So after simplification, we are getting degree as 3. If the value of the discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then the nature of the roots. What is the nature of the root? So the roots are, so if the discriminant is 0, the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Now let us take the last question for this session. I am going to take the remaining questions in my next sessions. So find the value of theta in the figure. So I need to find out the theta. The sides of the measurements are given. You find out any one. So this is the theta. Then make this become opposite side. This become hypotenuse side, and this become adjacent side. So you take any ratio. For example, if I take sine theta, that will become opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 1. Hypotenuse side is 2. So that also can be done when the sine theta is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to sine 30 degree. So that means we are getting sine theta is equal to sine 30 degree. So theta is equal to how much? 30 degree. So 30 degree is the value of the acute angle theta. So these are the answers for the first two mains, 1 mark and MCQ section. So in my next video, I am going to take the 2 mark questions and the remaining 3 and 4 mark questions. Thank you.